Okay, so today we're going to be looking at how to build a 2-liter pallet. Come with me, let's roll into the store and we'll show you how it's done.
So today we're going to show you an example on how to build a 2-liter display. First of all, I had all my product up front as you saw before. Then I planned out exactly what flavor I wanted and where I wanted it. So depending on how many pallets you're going to build, depends on the flavors you have. You can put up to 5 on one pallet. So I started with our Pepsi. I went Pepsi Zero, Diet, Mountain Dew, and Diet Mountain Dew, and so on. I did do a tie-in, and what you do as a tie-in is when I turn the case sideways and then change the bottles out, it helps the structure be a little more solid. So then when you're working with it, you don't get a big lean. It's a little more solid and stays stable. I also brought it up to the height that we generally do, and this one is 6 high. So we want to keep it at that high. We don't want to go too high, otherwise the customers can't grab it. Also, very important is to flip labels once you're done. And you guys saw me do that, is twist the labels, because we don't want it looking with the UPC. That is a no for our standards. So we just want to make sure that everything gets twisted properly, and even in the front. As you saw, I turned these sideways and then I lined every label up and down. This is how we build 2-liter displays. If you have any further questions, we can discuss that at another time.
All right, so let me know what you thought about that. That's the basics on how to build one of our 2-liter displays. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more information like that. Thanks a lot. Okay, so that wraps up another episode for us. Let's check it off the list, and we're gonna keep moving on.